Hello viewers, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, we say a very big welcome. Please, we ship everywhere. Don't forget that we ship everywhere. If you want original recipe, skincare recipe, when I mean original, 100%, all right, all you need oils, whitening powders, glowing powders, you need whitening soaps, all this recipe we have. Then look at my skin. Okay, you can see we don't use product that gives knuckles. We don't produce product that gives knuckles. We produce whitening products. You want your skin to be whitening in 7 days, original for this 2024. All right, okay, it is what it is. Now let me tell it to you, if you want to make your product, now it has come to my knowledge that a lot of people don't know that we have different type of lactic acid. We have two type of, not only two type, we have different type of lactic acid, and their strength is vary. All right, now see, this is 2 lactic acid. This is 2 lactic acid. This one you see now looks like, you would think it's oil. It's not oil, it's lactic acid. Why this one is the pure whitening one. All right, now, and this one is more strength. This one has more strength than this one. And first of all, what is lactic acid? What does lactic acid do in your lotion? If you don't know, lactic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid. All right, it helps, is used on the skin to remove dead cell. All right, as you see your skin like this, so there are some dead cells that you don't even know about that, but they're just there. All right, and you will be using product, they will not be working all the time. You complain sometimes. Do this, not, I'm just telling you for free. All right, do this. Get a very sensitive scrub and scrub your skin. All right, let that scrub also contain lactic acid. Use it to scrub your skin. After that, then use a product that contains lactic acid, also that contains lactic acid, glycerine, and also maybe lemon extract. I see no reason why you not get lighter. As I did like this, so if I won't get color 7 right now, ASAP, I can just get it in 7 days. All right, it takes what it is. So lactic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid, all right, used on the skin to remove dead cell. All right, you can see, I will put it on the screen now, used to remove dead cell from the skin and also fade dark spots. Okay, so all these dark spots that you see, if it is scar, whatever, that you got, don't be scared. Just you make sure you use lactic product that contain lactic acid. All right, yes, and use the original one. Okay, like as I said. Okay, so it's also fade dark spots from the skin, and also soften faint lines on our skin. Okay, so some people don't know about all this like faint line. You don't know what faint line, you can Google it. All right, okay, so then again, I just want to tell you this. With the glycerine that you want to use on your product, let it be original, because also we have different type of glycerine. Also, some are mixed. Some persons in their morning routine, what they use every morning, that's what I'm about telling you, what they use every morning. They use what is it called, glycerine and lactic acid and lemon extract on their skin every morning as morning routine. Wash their face, they rub it, the mild one. All right, but after 20 minutes they wash it off every morning. But it's not advisable. You might burn your skin, because all this, you don't even know the percentage in it, and you don't know the percentage that warrant you or that demand for you to get such light up that you want to do. All right, so, and some of all these, they mix them. You want to use glycerine these days, they mix them. You do not know about that. So sometimes I will always tell you to calm down. That's why you see some person will say, after you train them, because I heard a lot of complaint, after this person trained me, I actually go get those the things he said, but it didn't work. The reason is that maybe because those things you got were fake. All right, there's no two ways about it. You get original one, even if the whitening is not strong, it will surely do something. All right, yes, because all these things, they are real. All these things I'm telling you, they are not, it's not logic, it's not how will I put it? These are formulation that works. All right, so it is what it is. Get your lactic acid, get your glycerine, and get your lemon extract. Okay, now let me tell you about the lemon extract. You know, lemon extract, most times a lot of lemon extracts, raw one that did not mix, that after just extracting via oil or via any other process, that lemon, you see, is a very significant whitening because it has vitamin C in it. So if you're making your product, you should know. So if you're making like 500 ml, you should know the percentage that you're taking from both and both. You know, look at it, don't forget. All right, this lactic acid, these two are lactic acid. Look the lemon that you're taking, look the glycerin you're taking, let it be original, and mix to your product and add the almighty formula of, you know, activator. Come on, you see that you get this right this year. You will get this right. Just follow us. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, you follow us on YouTube, and you follow us on TikTok also. So do not forget to subscribe and also stay with us. We'll be coming on live on our YouTube live right now. Okay, if you want original product, you want to get whitening in 7 days, I tell you, okay, you can also shout us up on Instagram or shout us up on, you know, WhatsApp. Okay, it is what it is. We've come to the end of the class, so stay glued to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. Bye bye.